Hi, my name's David Hartmann, and as always, I'm super excited to be coming back over to ICSO in Antwerp in Belgium, May 22, 23, 24 in 2025. It is on acupuncture point combinations for complicated disorders. It's similar to my previous workshops at ICSO, where there'll be an element of theory and then any demonstration from myself and then a practical component. The practical will be where you can receive treatment, do a treatment, watch the treatments. So it's very much engaging. It's not just me standing up talking the whole time. So there's the theory, demonstration, practical across the 3 days, which has always been really popular, and it's one that I do like. I feel like you learn more that way, and you get to opportunity of actually feeling what the treatment's like as well, which is nice in its own way. So the complicated disorders we're going to look at across the 3 days, there's six main ones we're going to look at that I will discuss in more detail. For Shen-based, we're going to look at insomnia and stress. The stress will also have a frustration, overwhelm element to it, not having enough time in the day. So they're the two from the Shen perspective. From the head and sense organs, we're going to look at headaches and migraines and also tinnitus. And then for digestive and bowel, we're going to look at constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. So those are the six that will be discussed in more detail, looking at the patterns, the acupuncture point combinations used to treat. But then there's also an opportunity for you to advise of any other complicated disorders that you might like to have discussed. And so if there's any that you had in mind, if you send those disorders to Danny at ICSO and ask him to send those to me, and I'll look at those disorders and we'll add a few more in. So I'll work out how many extras of them I can add, and then they will be used within the workshop as well. So what's cool about that is you get the opportunity to actually get your disorder discussed. I won't be able to do them all, but certainly if I have the opportunity to, I'll do as many as I can. So really hope you'll come along. For those that have been in the past, it's always been positive feedback. If you need to know anything more, please contact ICSO or my email address, which is DAHARTMANN8 otherwise, hopefully, yes, I'll see you in May 22, 23, 24 at ICSO in Belgium. All the best. Bye.